Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video on mainly the rear like bumper body mounts for this is an '06 LJ. But it should be the same for the TJs and stuff like that. Obviously, they're known for body rot pretty much, or a lot of sheared bolts, stuff like that underneath. I just picked this one up. You can tell the frame's not terrible, but it's getting rusty. We're gonna take care of that. But the body mounts were completely shot, rusted, just completely corroded, and the rubber was all crumbling. So I went and bought new body mounts and hardware for the whole thing. We had a couple that gave us problems, but the main one I kind of wanted to show you back here because I didn't see a ton about it online. So I figured I'd make you guys a video. Are the rear mounts that go basically right here. If we look at the other side, which I already did, you can see there's my new one, and some rust obviously we'll take care of at some point. But these things are kind of a pain in the butt to get at. So actually, let me go grab my light here. So I wanted to show you exactly what I did to fix this, or to at least gain access to fix it. If we get in right back here, you can see I cut a little access hole. It's a little frustrating the way they did these because it's not a capture nut technically, it's a nut into a piece of steel that is encapsulated in a little metal cage. So there's no real great way to drill it out. There's no great way to do everything. So basically, cut an access panel and basically cut that cage out. So actually right here is that little piece that sits inside, maybe focus, there we go, sits inside that cage. And obviously mine's sheared off on both sides. So this is why we're doing that. The tools that I use, pretty simple. Oops. Stick this back under here. What I use to make, you can see right up there, I just made the outline of my cuts. What's come in handy for all of these projects is this 90-degree Dremel tool. I got mine from Lowe's down the street, but you should be able to get them anywhere. And a metal cutoff disc. Originally, I bought this because, like everybody else, the top mounts on my shock sheared and seized, so I used the 90-degree, see if I can get a good picture for you guys. Get my phone to focus. So I use this 90-degree to come in here like this, and basically cut off the top captured nuts. And then I just drop new hardware down. It's not finished yet. We're gonna have to body off. So they haven't been painted or anything, and these are cheap shocks just to get me going until my lift gets here. But yeah, basically just wanted to show you, if you give me a quick second, I can lift this up and actually just show you the cage itself that I was talking about inside. All right, we got that little flap lifted up. I'm not even gonna clean it out. I'm gonna show you what an '06 LJ with 230 some thousand miles looks. Hold on, let me get my light here better for you. As you just open it, you can see why everything corrodes up in there. There we go. So it's really hard to see the cage that's in there now, but let me try to clean it up a little bit. I'm sorry, let me see if I can get my light on here. Whoops, it's probably pretty loud for you. So you can kind of see there's a cage around that nut. And if I come up from underneath and press the sheared thing, you can see that it's moving up in there. So this one looks to already be pretty pretty torn apart. So what I did in the other one is took that Dremel, cut a slot across the top of this, and then took a metal shears up each side here, and then just pushed and lifted that flap back. I'm going to replace it with a big washer, lock nut, and a regular nut, and then push these flaps back down, silicone them shut probably, or maybe JB Weld, I haven't decided yet. Make sure everything in there is coated with the anti-seize, so just in case I ever have to do this again, which hopefully not, I can still get at it. But that is what I just wanted to show you guys. I haven't seen a ton of information about these rear ones online, so hopefully this helps somebody. Thanks a lot, guys.